Hello, hello, hello. Long time no see, my friends. Another travel update. It's been a while. A lot of things have changed. I am currently in Poland, visiting, at least for 2 weeks. I'm really enjoying Poland. It's really, really beautiful. I left Thailand. I'm gonna be traveling around Europe for a few months. These are my current sights. Very, if I do say so myself. So let's see what happens next. I'll be here for another 2 weeks, then going away again, but that will be another travel update. So hopefully I'll keep uploading videos, because recently I have not really posted anything. Blessings be upon you, my friend. I shall see you when I see you. Till next time.